Good morning. So, as you can tell, I'm sitting inside a enclosure, a house, whatever you want to call it, a tiny home. Yeah, I did a thing. Back in September, and I did a thing really quick in September, and then we left for. Let's see, I guess in October we did Cocoa Fest, and then we went to Quartzsite. And I've been gone pretty much on and off that whole time. So I told y'all in my last video, I have a lot of projects coming up because I'm going to have projects in this little tiny house. So yeah, I did a thing back in last September. I bought, leased, rented, whatever you want to call it, a little tiny home in an RV park. And everybody's going to be like, where, what, tell me more, don't, But anyway, I'm going to show you when, I guess before I even closed on it, I did a little video back then. So I'm going to show you that clip, and then I'm prefacing what's coming up, the videos that are coming up, because I came back to my new home base. Yeah, I'm sure this is going to raise a lot of other questions, because yes, I have a home base in Texas too. Now I have one in New Mexico. This is a place where I can pull my truck camper or any camper. I could leave it if I wanted to, but and I can plug in, and then I can come into my tiny house. So I'm going to show you the back when I bought it in September, because it was empty, like I said, before I even closed on it. And then I came back here for the summer to do some projects here, and like I said, and to help Deborah do some projects too. So I have here's some boxes. This is part of the project. So anyway, so that one's coming up. Those boxes there. Oh, I've got one here too. So anyway, I've got projects coming up here at this location, and so I'm going to be filming those. So I really need to do the intro video of, hey, look what I did. And then I might, it's kind of junky in here right now because like I said, I've got a few projects going. I'm not really moved in. Not that I'm moving in, but I am gonna, I might show you what it looks like now, and then as I work on the projects this summer, what it will look like. But anyway, yeah, I did a thing. Yeah. Home away from home, away from home. Yeah. All right. Anyway, if I don't do a follow-up video a follow-up as it is today now, then I will do a new video once the project starts. So anyway, I think that's it for now. Okay, so this door goes into my shop area. So, and just know that everything needs to be cleaned. I haven't even closed on it yet, so. But come on in. You got all these shelves, nice built shelves. And you got these shelves. It's cool. You can lock this one. And plugs everywhere, a nice window. I'll put a workbench right here. And somebody was supposed to come pick up this freezer today and it works. Gosh. They didn't come pick it up, so it's mine. They got, unless they come in the next hour or so. But, so that's my shop area. They didn't pick up the refrigerator either, so it's mine. Then you go around here to the sliding glass doors, which are filthy. They need to be clean. And this is my tiny house.
I hit a button. I'm sorry. I think it'll be okay though.
Okay. Let me see it. Just gonna turn on the light. Got a ceiling fan. All these closets and cabinets. You know, your VCR goes right here. TV and VCR, yeah. Yeah, this is where they had the cable. That's funny. Storage is there and here. Look at my tree. It's my pine tree. It needs watered. It's my little workbench out there.
Gardening.
Picnic.
Yeah.
Yeah, my garden table. That's a real garden table. I have a garden table I'm gonna bring. It's gonna go along that wall. So, and it's my art table, so it's gonna go here.
And the hot water heaters.
The hot water heater is going. They were supposed to pick it up today or tomorrow, so it'll be out of here. So this is my new tiny house. And look at my porch. And my backyard. Isn't that awesome? And this door was warped on this little, not a well house, but it's got water in here. So, and the water works. This door's all warped and everything, so I took it off. I'm gonna put a new door on it. Probably store my propane tanks there. I don't see me needing gasoline or anything like that, but if I have, then it would be right there. But this is my other tree. These are what, desert willows? So it needs water too. I'm gonna water it later. I don't know how long this place has been vacant, but okay, it's windy. There's the van. There's my little casita. There's my little tiny house. There's the camper. This is my porch and my backyard. I just love this tree. I can't get enough of it. So we sit out here and just look at the tree and look at the sunset. Yeah, I got a geranium on my little garden table. And bought a little plant, lavender. That's my little two-seater little table and chairs. This is my, it's locked. This is a mess because all in a work in progress, yeah. So, yeah, none of this is organized. This is all just thrown up here of me bringing stuff from Texas here. And all that I came from Texas. And, yeah. There's no rhyme or reason to that. There's that, this is that ice chest that they left and I inherited, so don't really have a whole lot in there right now. Some ice and some chicken and, oops. But anyway, so you come out of the shed and you can, let's see, what is it? 92 degrees. walk into yeah. This is that art table that I brought from Texas, and like I said, this is stuff that just kind of got thrown in here. Sammy's dog food, my little TV I took out of the camper, put it up there, and I do have some stuff like coats and old shirts and in that closet, and there's the little refrigerator. It cleaned up really good, and I brought it in, but see, I don't really have any cabinets or drawer space or anything like that. So anyway, this is all a work in progress, and I'm going to put I talked about in that first clip my garden table right here, but I think that will just overtake this room. So I'm thinking I'm just going to put a little, make a little kitchenette here, and then I can make coffee or cook on an induction cooktop or something like that. But anyway, and this is gonna be my art table looking out over my backyard, which I love. And anyway, so that's how it is now, and I will be showing you as it changes over time. Yeah, right now I don't have any chairs in here other than outdoor seating arrangements. And we just store the chairs in here for now. But anyway, and I have little quails and baby quails and all kinds of birds out here. I love my little backyard. Yes, I do. All right. Y'all stay tuned for the projects that are coming. Probably within the next few weeks. I'm going to have a big one in here, so. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video.